Alright, so I guess it's time to rebuild that 2007. So we got pretty much everything here, besides a couple nuts and bolts. They're still at the chrome shop. Engine is almost fully built. Still need a couple nuts, couple bolts. Tires are mounted. Oh yeah, it's coming along well. Should be done by, I don't know, in 2 days. I'm a bit busy lately, but anyway. I'm gonna do a bit of work on it, and I'm gonna put the camera out right after. Alright, so we got a complete roller. So I didn't feel much about the building process, but she's here. Complete roller. So it does look pretty good. Alright, so bike is almost completely assembled. So still got the carb to put on. I still got the parking brake cable to install, rear brake line, a few little parts, but I'm almost ready to do the first startup. I know I didn't feel much during the build process, but it is what it is, you know. Does look pretty damn good if you ask me. That zinc, I don't know why, but I just love it. It makes the rear bike, the rear end of the bike look brand new, just like factory. It's an OEM build, so it's gotta look as much as factory as possible. Anyway, I guess the next video is gonna be when it's gonna be running. So it should be running in like 30 minutes or so. Alright, so I just did the first startup. Run like it should, no issue at all. So let's start within one kick, like it should. Anyway, I guess it's time to go for a test drive. I'm gonna go test it. Actually, I gotta put the airbox on first. Airbox is right here. I gotta install the airbox and then go out for a rip, let's say. So yeah, should be ready in a couple hours to deliver. That's for sure. All right, so I just went for a test drive. Run and drive like it should. It's a bit wet. So I just finished to pass a rag on it. It was a bit dirty since it's winter. So just about to slap those plastic on. OEM plastic, always. So, anyway, I'm gonna do a bit of progress, a bit of work, and get back to you shortly. You see, white dot everywhere. That's what I do, like factory. As soon as something is torqued down, you mark it. Rear fenders are on, heel guard flapper on. Still gotta put a couple bolts here and there, but they're on the bike. Okay, plastics are installed. I was just about to install those graphic. Almost forgot to pull out the camera. Yeah, it's almost complete. We're almost there. Anyway, let me slap those decal on, and then I'm gonna show you the result right after. And just like that, decals are installed. So I'm gonna pull it out outside so you can take a look at it a little better. It's kind of tight in the shop, but everything is installed. Everything is looking great. So yeah, I'm gonna pull that thing outside and finish the video there. Well, yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for that video. It's fully built, well, fully assembled. It start, it run, so it's just about ready to get delivered. Anyway, talk to you guys on the next one.